Hi. If I called you tonight and said, hey, we have the opportunity to go away to a beach for 5 days, or let's go to Collingwood overnight and go to the spa and just have a couple days away, would you be ready? Or would you have to stop and think, and what am I going to wear? And I don't have anything put together. Well, I'm here to show you just a quick way to get yourself all ready at a moment's notice. Hi, I'm Karen Dorland, owner of Image Connections, your fashion and image magician. And I'm sharing with you today what is in my large cosmetic case here. I'm just going to start with this because I don't want my videos to be super long for you. But I have some tips that you might not have thought of before. And the main one is have duplicates. Have duplicates for your face creams and for your makeup so that they're sitting in your bags ready to go. So I always have a little container of holders like this. This fits into the regulation bags that you get at the airport for your liquids, right? And I just partly fill them. I got it at the dollar store. It comes in really handy. There's labels inside even, so I can put a label for my cleanser, my moisturizer. I like a moisturizer that's a cream, so it can go in just one of these small bottles. So that's an idea right there. And I go to the greatest dental hygienist, Kathleen Bernardi at Woodland Dental. So I'm giving her a plug today. And I use something called EcoDent. It's a great toothpaste that has a lot of baking soda, I think, in it. Yes, it's baking soda. But it's not a tube. So I can take it with me easily and effortlessly. I don't have to worry about just getting a little wee container of toothpaste. Plus, other ones make my teeth really sensitive. So this is an idea for you to look for as well. And I love having travel sizes of hair products. So here's my spiking gel and my hairspray. I always have a container of this vitamin C. I get one from Shackley, and this is available at a drugstore though. And they are vitamin C tabs, and you just pop them into some hot water and they fizz up. But I find they're really, really good to have in case my throat gets a little bit sore, and especially for being on the airplane if it's a long ride. Of course, I've got a hairbrush and my toothbrush. And I sometimes take just some travel packs of shampoo with me just in case, plus a little hand soap, because I have been in some places where they didn't even have soap. It was a little more remote. Now, another thing I carry with me, and I love it, it's a little container of Q-tips. And I just refill it every once in a while. It's easy to take. I'm not having them fall all over the place. And of course, in my bag is my little eye cover for sleeping at night if the room isn't dark enough. And ladies, I just want to know, this is for you especially, I always carry panty liners because it helps you to keep your undies just fresher, especially if you're in a hot climate, and you can put one on during the day, and then it's not making for so many changes of underwear to go with you. So that's an idea for you as well. So that's basically what's in my big facial cosmetic bag for a trip. And the next video, I'll show you what I carry in my makeup bag alone. Okay? Have a great vacation if you're planning to go for one. And I wish you could tuck me inside your suitcase to take me with you. I'd like to remind you to sign up for my newsletter if you haven't already at imageconnections.ca. And I would love to have you be part of my private Facebook group called Level Up Your Image at Business, Life, and Love. And in the next few coming months, you're going to be seeing a little surprise from me. So keep in touch. All the best.